We are going to be doing something really fun today. We are doing a food activity for your Fun Friday. So what we're making today is mini English muffin pizzas. We thought of something fun to do today, and we're going to get started. So first we'll go over the ingredients and the things you'll need. So you'll need 2 English muffins. So we have 1, we have 2, and then you'll open them up to make 4. The next is you'll need some marinara sauce, some pepperonis, and your cheese to sprinkle on. So we have our foil base here, and this will eventually go in the oven. So before you start preparing everything, you'll have to set the oven, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so now we're gonna get started. So we take our pizza sauce and we spread it out on the English muffins, making sure you cover them completely. So, and my friends that are doing this with mom or dad or a sister or brother, they can help you when you're ready to put these into the oven. But when it comes to doing the marinara and the sprinkling of the cheese, I know that my friends can do this easily. So everything is nice and spread out. That's the first step, to put your first layer of marinara. Next, we're going to sprinkle some cheese on. So you'll sprinkle some cheese on each English muffin. You can put more or less depending on if you like it really cheesy or not so cheesy. Okay, so far so good. This is what we have so far. And the last step is to add your pepperonis. These are a little big, but you can cut them in half or cut them in 4s, and you'll place them on your English muffins. I'm gonna put 2 on each English muffin, and we have 4 altogether. Okay, so if I count my pepperonis, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pepperonis. So here are our English muffin mini pizzas, and it took me a very short time to do this, so it's a really fun, short activity to do with mom and dad at home. So after these are all prepared, you'll pop these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can check on them, see how they're doing, and they should be ready to eat. When you're taking them out of the oven, be very careful because they'll be hot at first. Take them out, let them cool down, and you have a nice Friday lunch treat for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this come all together, and have a wonderful weekend and a happy Memorial Day weekend. Thank you, friends. Bye.